Have you ever felt lost, tired, or unsure of your future? Judy was a young woman who experienced these exact emotions. Judy worked at a small bookstore while living in a tiny apartment by herself, and she frequently wondered if this was all her life would ever be. Is this all there is? One day, Judy discovered a small blue notebook during her bookstore cleaning duties. The front of the book displayed these words: 12 rules for life. Try one each day. Your life may change. Judy opened the book to discover the first rule, which marked the start of her wonderful transformation. Rule 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. The first thing Judy read was, stand tall. Show the world you are ready. So the next day, Judy stood in front of the mirror. She pulled her shoulders back, raised her chin, looked at herself. At first, it felt strange. People gave her more respect and warmth after she walked outside with this posture. Her manager noticed her strength when he said, "You look strong today, Judy. Remember, your body tells your brain how to feel. When you maintain strong posture while walking, you will experience increased inner strength." Rule 2. Treat yourself like someone you're responsible for helping. Judy always helped others. She neglected her meals and stayed up late while using harsh words to criticize herself. One night she asked, "Would I treat my best friend like this?" No. So she prepared a nutritious evening meal. Before going to bed, she told herself, "You did your best today." And she slept early, not because she was lazy, but because she deserved care. You matter. Take care of yourself, like someone precious, because you are. Rule 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Judy used to hang out with people who laughed at her ideas. But then she met Maria, who said things like, "I believe in you. You can do it." Judy felt safe and inspired. Choose friends who elevate you instead of bringing you down, as we often reflect our environment. Or, compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not who someone else is today. Judy spent hours on social media. Everyone seemed smarter, prettier, more successful. She felt small. But then she thought, yesterday I was afraid to speak in meetings. Today I spoke with confidence. That was progress. The only person you need to compete against is yourself. Celebrate your small wins. They are steps to big changes. Rule 5. Do not let children do anything that makes you dislike them. Judy frequently assisted her aunt in caring for her cousin. One day, the boy threw food on the floor. Judy wanted to ignore it, but then she said gently, "That's not okay. Let's clean up together." Her cousin learned. He smiled. They both laughed. Children require love, but they also need boundaries. The gift of discipline enables children to develop strength and kindness. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Judy frequently expressed her dissatisfaction by saying, "The world is unfair, people are rude, life is hard." But her room was a mess. Her laundry was undone. Her goals were unclear. So she started small, cleaned one drawer, paid one bill, wrote one goal, and slowly, life felt less heavy. Before changing the world, change your space. Order brings peace. Peace brings power. Rule 7. Do what is meaningful, not what is easy. Judy was offered a job with good pay, but no heart. At the same time, a local school needed volunteers to read with children. It was harder. less money. But something inside her said, this matters. And when the first child hugged her and said, I like reading with you, she knew she made the right choice. Easy paths are tempting, but meaningful paths make life beautiful. Rule 8. Tell the truth. One morning, Judy spilled coffee on important papers. She wanted to lie, but she took a breath and said, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Her boss smiled. Thank you for being honest. Lies are heavy. Truth is light. Speak honestly. It builds trust, inside and out. Rule 9. Assume the person you're listening to might know something you don't. Judy met a quiet old man at the park. He spoke slowly, and she almost walked away. But she stayed. He told her stories about life, love, and failure. She cried. He smiled, and she learned. Every person has a story. Listen deeply. You might hear something that changes your life. Rule 10. Be precise in your speech. One day, Judy felt hurt by a friend. She almost said, you never care. But she paused and said, I feel sad when our plans change. Can we talk about it? The friend listened. They understood each other more. Clear words heal. Be honest. Be kind. Be specific. Rule 11. Don't bother children when they are skateboarding. At the park, Judy saw two kids trying tricks. One fell, got up, tried again. Some adults said, be careful. But Judy thought, this is how they grow strong. Don't protect people so much that they forget how to be brave. Risk is part of life. Rule 12. Pet a cat when you meet one on the street. One evening, Judy felt lonely and sad. Everything seemed too much. She sat on a bench. A little cat walked by. She reached out. It sat beside her. For 5 minutes, everything stopped. Just peace. In hard times, find the little good things. A smile, a warm drink, a soft cat. They matter. Final message. Judy still lives in her little apartment, still works at the bookstore. That she is not the same person. She stands tall. She tells the truth. She listens. She grows. She followed 12 rules, one day at a time, and changed her life. And now, it's your turn. Which rule will you start with?